Have you ever felt rushed while doing something, like eating too fast or finishing your work quickly because someone is waiting? Well, in English, there's a friendly expression people say in that situation: take your time. So, what does it mean? Take your time means don't rush or do it at your own pace. It's a polite way to tell someone to relax and not feel pressured. For example, imagine your friend is trying to find something in their bag, and they say, "Sorry, I'm taking so long." You can smile and say, "It's okay, take your time." It means no need to hurry. Or maybe you're in a restaurant and the waiter asks if you're ready to order. If you're still deciding, you can say, "Not yet, I'm still looking. I'll take my time." Sometimes people also say, "Take your time to be kind." For example, if someone is learning something new or speaking in English, you can say, "No problem, take your time." It helps them feel calm and confident. You can even use it for yourself. If you're doing something important like writing an email or preparing for a presentation, you might remind yourself, "It's okay, take your time." Because doing things slowly and carefully is often better than rushing and making mistakes. So remember this simple but powerful phrase. Take your time. It shows patience, kindness, and understanding. All right, let's see if you really understand how to use take your time. I'll give you a situation, and you decide if this expression fits or not. Your classmate is nervous during a presentation and keeps forgetting what to say. Should you say, take your time? Yes, this is the perfect time to use it. It means, don't worry, go slowly, you don't have to rush. It helps the person feel calm and supported, especially when they're nervous or under pressure. You're at a coffee shop and your friend says, "Sorry, I'm still deciding what to order." Can you say, take your time? Yes, that's exactly what native speakers would say here. It shows you're patient and don't mind waiting. It's a friendly, polite way to say, no rush, choose when you're ready. You're racing your friend in a game and they're losing. Would you say, take your time? No, because the situation is competitive, not casual or polite. If you say, take your time during a race, it could sound sarcastic, like you're teasing them. So in this kind of situation, it doesn't match the meaning of patience or kindness. If you want to keep improving, check out the Daily Expression playlist to learn even more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own example using take your time in the comments. See you in the next video.